Okay, so today is March the 15th. We got some graphite because the sliding door doesn't open and close very easily. So, we went to a little thrift store called Anything and More that I've been wanting to go to. So that was pretty cool. I just picked up a couple of little faux pots. Yeah. The bee guy's coming. Dodson Pest Control is coming. So they're going to help us. They're going to possibly extend the contract from the previous owner. We have those carpenter bees that are boring holes up in the soffits and stuff. So we're going to see if they can come out and treat for those. I moved the bookcase, stood it up right over there. Of course, it looks really good without all the shutters and everything. So got to paint for if Keith comes to fix the holes from the woodpeckers. And so yeah, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
So, ta-da! I got a little faux green plant. I thought it looked cute. I actually got two of them. There's the other one. The kids are coming over for supper tonight. Just the adults. We're going to play some cards, have a nacho bar. Should be fun. So we decided to power wash the sidewalk and get that done before the Dodson guy gets here. Paul's at it. Got it all hooked up. Nice and quiet. It was windy earlier, but the winds died down a little bit. We're supposed to have some rain come in. It'll be neat to see what it looks like in the summer with all the trees with their leaves.